The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He leads me to green pastures, and still waters restore my soul. Even when I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Take a deep breath and feel His presence around you. Let every worry, every fear, every burden fall into His hands. You are never alone. You are never forsaken. His love follows you each day in ways you may not see, yet always feel. Every moment with Him is a chance to be renewed, to find courage, to find hope, and to find rest. Close your eyes and imagine still waters, flowing gently, and know that your soul is safe in His care. Whatever challenges tomorrow brings, face them with peace, knowing God walks with you. And when you feel weary, let this psalm remind you. He restores your soul, He guides your steps, and He will never leave you. If this message has touched your heart, consider subscribing for more peaceful reflections and Bible inspirations, and leave a comment to share how Psalm 23 has comforted you today.